IWC Ingenieur Perpetual Calendar 41 Ref. AL 344,904. Main features are IWC Ingenieur Perpetual Calendar 41 is a technical flagship launched at Watches and Wonders Geneva 2026. It is the first time IWC's signature crown-operated perpetual calendar has been housed in a Grade 5 titanium Ingenieur case. Case and bracelet, 41.6 mm diameter and 13.2 mm thickness, crafted from Grade 5 titanium. It features a combination of sandblasted, satin-finished, and polished surfaces. Product weight at approximately 120 grams. It is currently the lightest perpetual calendar in IWC's collection. Dial: monochromatic matte gray with a stamped grid structure. The recessed subdials feature circular satin brushing and azurage on the rims. Movement: IWC manufactured caliber 82,600, utilizing the Peloton winding system with wear-resistant ceramic components, automatic wheel, clicks, and rotor bearing. Other functions: displays for date, day of the week, leap year indicator, and a perpetual moon phase accurate to 1 day every 577.5 years. Resilience: 100 meters, 10 bar, water resistance with a screw-down crown. Lightweight comfort: titanium is roughly 45% lighter than steel, significantly enhancing the wearability of this highly complicated model. Crown adjustment: all calendar indications are synchronized and can be advanced simultaneously via the crown.